So I've got the FIFINE AmpliGame SC3 gaming audio mixer right here. I will admit that I already filmed this and somehow I deleted the footage, so whenever I open this up, the only thing that's different is the USB-C cord that came with it is currently plugged up to my computer right now. But you know what? Let's go ahead and take a look at this. I'll admit I've never used one of these before, but since I got this, I've plugged it in. I've been having so much fun with all the reactions that I am getting to the different voices that you can get. This is a audio kind of gaming mixer where whenever you hook up your mic, you're able to change the effect of your voice with different features such as a more male voice, which is honestly just a super deep voice, female, robot, monster, baby, elder, and I'll admit some of these sound better than the others. There's also different effects that you can do and different customization options. Plus, this is RGB, so of course I had to check this out, and I'm already using quite a few things from FIFINE, and I love how my setup is becoming. But anyways, opening this up, like I said, I opened this up before and there's just a plastic cover over it. But let's take a look at this. So of course we have the 48V button right here, the different electric sound effects right here, custom A and C. This button right here changes the different lighting effects that you can do. It has rolling RGB effects, fading, and also solid different colors that you can do. Custom B, custom D. We have mute, mic, mute line in, mic monitor headphones, and line out. Right here, we have the different inputs as well. We have optic or OTG/PC, line out, headphone, line in, headset, dynamic, and condenser. And this is for, what's it called? The XLR cord, I believe. I'll have that pop up if I got that wrong, just for some better accuracy. Right here, it does have the little pad so it doesn't slip and slide. But yeah, guys, how about I just show y'all what the RGB looks like and what it sounds like. So right now I am just talking in a normal voice and normal tone and everything like that. We are going to now test the first one, which is honestly my favorite. This will be the male.
Hello, hello, this is the Mel. For Super Earth! This is the one that gets the biggest reaction. I'll admit the other ones, I don't know, they're more annoying to me, but that's not what it's about. It changes your voice and that's what it's supposed to do. So let's switch to female.
This is the female voice. Hello, hello, I'm a female. I'm a female. I'm a gamer girl, talk to me. And the next one is robot.
This is a robot. Hello, robot. I'm a robot. An AI robot. I'm going to take over the world. Alright, let's switch to monster. This is monster. This is monster. Put that thing back where you got it. No, what did they say on Monster Inc? I can't remember, but this is the monster voice.
This is baby. This is the baby voice. I am a baby. What do babies say? Give me milk.
This one's the elder. If I remember correctly, elder was just kind of, I don't know, just kind of different. But this is the elder voice. This is the elder voice. Now, there's one that's electric, and it just changes your tone a little bit. I'm just going to press through it while I talk.
Okay, hold on. All right, now I'm going to press the electric one. just a couple different times, and it has like A, B, B, C. It has all these different little numbers next to it. I'm just going to continue to talk and just change it between the different ones. I'll admit, you know, I'm kind of new to this system, so maybe it does a little bit more than I would think. Yeah. Now I'm gonna turn it back to normal. But yeah, so it does change your voice, and it's pretty fun to use, and for the price point and the amount of voices that it has that you can do is pretty good. Yes, there is a way that you can get this to work on like your Xbox. There's like a little bit of a system that you kind of have to buy to connect to it. You can't just do it straight out of the box, so I don't want people to think that. But yeah, overall, it's a pretty cool product. I love the RGB lights and everything like that. They do look really cool, and they do all the different colors. And this is just something fun to have in my setup that if I want to use it, hey, I have it to use.